In this session, we're busy with creditors, and we're going to look at creditors maintenance. I've created or added 3 creditors here already. In another session, I'll show you how to add a creditor, but what I first of all want to do is just describe the screen. First of all, you can sort your creditors here or your suppliers. The default is to sort by account, but you can say by name, and then you can start typing in the first few letters of a supplier name so that you can find your suppliers quickly. Or I can start typing in F and it will then jump to the first letter of the list. It's hard to see because I only have 3, but if you have a really big list of creditors, this sequence or sort option can be very effective. Then we've got some options at the bottom. Now I have explained all of these options in a lot of the other sessions already, so I'm just going to talk about them. Your select visible fields will allow you to change the fields in front of you, making sure that if you do make changes and you want to keep those changes, that you save the changes by right-clicking and saying save. Your filter option will allow you to customize what you see in front of you, and you can save filters and then reuse them. Search will allow you to find text. Export will allow you to export the list as you've got it here. When you export, we will ask you where would you like to save that file, and you've got to specify the fields that you need. I will explain add and edit in other sessions. Delete. Remember, you cannot delete an account if there's history or transactions connected to it. The colors will display this age of the creditor. So you can click on a color, you can change the colors, and when you look at your creditors list, you can easily see in the age that they are. For instance, the yellow means that they will be in current, whereas my color here, pink, will mean 90 days, for instance. Then if you don't want to sort by just account or by name, you can do an advanced sort. Let me just clear the filter. You can do an advanced sort where you can sort by any other field, ascending or descending, and then you can export that data. And then the last one we've got is the grid edit mode, where you can quickly edit in a spreadsheet format instead of individually opening each creditor. And that concludes explaining all the options that you have available to you under creditors maintenance.